So let's solve the question number 15 of this CKS series. So again, to solve this question, we have to switch the context, and I'll just switch the context first. So first of all, already I am in that context, but I will just switch it from here. And yes, I am in this context. Now the question is that in namespace team-ping, there is an existing Nginx ingress resources named secure, which accepts two paths /app and /API, which points to different cluster IP services. From a main terminal, you can connect to it using, for example, HTTP this and HTTPS this. Right now, it is uses a generated TLS certificate by the Nginx ingress controller. So you're asked to instead use the key and certificate provided at this location. As it's a self-signed certificate, you need to use curl-k when connecting to it. Okay. So the question is related to ingress, and as the ingress is already created in the team-ping namespace, so we can first check the ingress. So yes, the name of the ingress is secure, and that is already created. But the point is that the certificate of this ingress is default. So we have to create our own certificate to provide it to our ingress. So for that, we have to create first secret, which contains the certificate. So what I'll do, I'll just create a secret, which is the secret type should be, there are multiple types of secrets, generic, TLS, and Docker registry kind of secrets are there. So we have to create the TLS certificate. So what I'll do, I'll just write create TLS. Then after that, you have to provide the certificates and private key, but I will just run -help command, and I will just grep cert. So it will provide me the particular command, which is kubectl create secret, and that I have to use. So what I'll do, I'll just use -cert, and I will, as they provided already the certificate and private key. So first of all, we will provide the CRT file, then we will be going to provide the private key. Yes, and make sure the namespace is team-ping. So we have to provide the namespace as well. But again, we didn't provide the name of the secret. So the name of the secret, we can keep secret hyphen secure would be fine, I think, for me. So I'll just use this, and the secret has been created. Let's validate it. Team-ping. So yes, there are two data availables, which is certificate and private key. So after creating the secret, we will be going to configure the ingress with the TLS. So as we have seen the ingress in the team-ping. So let's see the YAML file of that ingress. So this is the ingress name, and the name of this ingress is secure. Let's see the YAML file of this, and this is the main course content. And as you know that to provide the secrets or to configure the TLS certificate, we have to provide the secret, and we are not able to see that TLS content here. So what we will do, we will just copy this content, and I will use 15 ing.yaml file, and I will just open this file, and let's go to ingress. And this is the default one. We need to get the TLS one. So let's scroll down. This is also a default one. Okay, so now we are able to see about the TLS now. Let's see. So this is the TLS one. Okay. So you can see to configure the TLS, we need to provide this file, this 4 lines above the rules line. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this, and above, as we have to do it before the rules line, I will just create one line, and then let's provide the name secret hyphen secure if I'm correct, and the host name would be same, secure ingress dot test. Let's check the indentation again. So hyphen hyphen, okay. So hyphen host after the TLS is fine, but HTTPS is also correct for the hosts, and secret name is also correct. So this is fine. And what we will do before applying this, first of all, we will just check for HTTP and for HTTPS what it's replying. So currently we can see this is the host, and if I check through the HTTPS, so we can see that the TLS is handshaking, and as per this information we can see that the certificate issue is through the Kubernetes ingress controller, which is fake certificate. So as we have to configure it our own certificate, so what we will do, we will just apply this using this command, and after that let's try to access it, and now it should be self-signed certificate, yes. So this is the secure ingress.test, and if I just check the ingress, so yes, this is correct, and we are able to see this.
So that's it for this question. Please check out the playlist for this CKS KillerShell series. The link is given in the description box, and also you can check out the pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.